Fellas, if you want to look like money without spending a fortune, you gotta master the art of color combination. Luxury is all about balance, sophistication, and the right shades. Today, I am breaking down 10 color combos that will instantly elevate your wardrobe, making you look effortlessly expensive. Well, enough with the intro, so let's get into it. Number one, this one's a no-brainer. Black and white color combo. Black and white is the most classic, high contrast combination that screams sophistication. This is going to be the easiest color combination that you could pull off in order to look expensive. Whether it's a crisp white dress shirt with black tailored trousers or a black turtleneck under a white blazer, this pairing gives off the old money meets modern mogul vibe. To make it effective, keep it simple, structured, and let the contrast do the talking. No crazy patterns, just clean, sharp lines that make you look powerful and put together. Number two, this is for the guys who love a muted yet upscale look. Olive and navy color combo. Olive and navy work so well together because they're both deep, rich tones that complement each other without clashing. Funny thing is that every time I put this color combo on people, they think about Seattle. Strange comment, but I get it. Anyways, take a navy blazer over an olive green turtleneck or a pair of navy chinos with an olive bomber jacket. It's subtle but refined, perfect for when you want to look stylish without being loud. This combo is especially great for fall and winter outfits. Next one, we have chocolate brown and beige color combo. This is the color that makes you look like you own a vineyard in Tuscany. Chocolate brown is deep, warm, and rich, while beige lightens things up just enough to keep it fresh. A great color combo for folks who have a medium to dark skin tone. A brown cashmere sweater with beige wool trousers, that's luxury. A beige trench coat over a brown turtleneck, that's an effortless class. It's all about earthy, natural tones that exude quite well. Definitely try this out. Next, for guys out there who want to look rich and powerful, then try burgundy and black. Burgundy is the color of power, and when you pair it with black, you instantly create a look that's bold yet sophisticated. Think a burgundy velvet blazer with black dress pants for an evening event, or a black turtleneck under a burgundy overcoat in the winter. This combo works best in luxe fabrics like suede, wool, or even satin for a touch of elegance. It's daring, but in the best possible way. Number five, if you want that sleek, contemporary look, slate gray and white is the way to go. This combination screams minimalism for me, and I think this color combo works best for folks with lighter skin tone. Think about a well-fitted gray suit with a crisp white dress shirt that gives you that high-end business aesthetic. For something more casual, a white polo with slate gray trousers feels modern and polished. The key here is fit. Everything needs to be clean, tailored, and structured to pull off that expensive but effortless look. Next, we have black and cognac brown combo. This gives a refined contrast, and I think it's my favorite color combo. Black is sharp, sleek, and modern, while cognac brown brings warmth and richness. You could do a different pairing with this one, okay? A cognac leather jacket with cognac brown Chelsea boots. That's how you do contrast with class. You can even do a black suit with cognac brown turtleneck, or even a black turtleneck under a cognac suede bomber jacket. Too many combinations to try, but this color combo has this stylish edge while still looking incredibly expensive. Next one, we have the navy and camel color combo. The old money classic color. Nothing says quite luxury like navy and camel. This is the go-to combination for stylish men who appreciate timeless elegance. A navy wool coat over a camel sweater, impeccable. A camel blazer with navy trousers, effortlessly refined. This pairing works exceptionally well in winter and fall, giving you that Ralph Lauren preppy but powerful aesthetic. Now for this next one, if you want a color combo that's subtle yet exudes high-end style, then try forest green and beige. Forest green is a deep, rich color that provides a grounded, natural feel, while beige is soft and neutral, offering a subtle contrast without being too stark. This balance makes the pairing visually appealing and easy to wear. A forest green wool overcoat with beige trousers or a beige knit sweater with deep green chinos create an outfit that feels sophisticated but relaxed. It's especially great for autumn looks as these earthy tones give off an effortlessly elegant feel. As for number 9, we have royal blue and white. Royal blue is bold, confident, and when paired with white, it creates a crisp, expensive look. Picture a royal blue blazer with a white dress shirt or a white linen suit with a royal blue pocket square. This combo is perfect for spring and summer. It's clean, refreshing, and it gives you that international businessman on vacation look. And as for the last one, and you probably saw this coming miles away, we have the all black color combo, specifically the jet black color. There's something undeniably powerful about an all black outfit. It's sleek, it's slimming, and it instantly makes you look high status. A black suit, a black turtleneck, black Chelsea boots, that's the ultimate combo right there. That's like, I run this place look. The key to making an all black outfit look expensive is texture, mixing fabric like leather, wool, or suede, as it adds depth and prevents it from looking flat. And as for the bonus color combination that will make you look expensive, try soft pink or blush and white. If you want to elevate your style and stand out in a refined way, soft pink and white is a winning combination. A pale pink dress shirt under a white blazer is an easy way to introduce color while keeping things classy. Or go for a soft pink knit sweater with white trousers for a more relaxed but upscale vibe. It's sophisticated, modern, and it shows you're confident enough to pull off color without looking flashy. Well folks, that's my 10 or 11 now color combos that make you look effortlessly expensive. Keep in mind, the trick isn't just in the colors themselves, okay? But it includes the fit, the fabric, and the confidence you bring to the look. So, which color combo are you rocking first? Comment below and let me know. As always, stay safe, stay stylish. You have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.